Hello friends, it's Kyle from Wyze. If you're like me, you wake up every single morning and ask yourself a very specific set of questions. Why did Game of Thrones have to end like that? Why does a pineapple look like it wants to hurt me? Whatever happened to the HQ trivia guy? Is he okay? Has anyone checked on him? And most important, how can I effortlessly get every room in my house to be just the right temperature at just the right time? Well, friends, I do have an answer to that question. Introducing Wyze Room Sensor, designed to give you automated comfort in every room. Now, the Wyze Room Sensor is an accessory designed to work specifically with Wyze thermostat. We're going to show you what's inside the box and give you a demonstration on how these products work together to give you the perfect temperature in your house. Today we're opening the 3-pack. First, coming out of the box, we have the included batteries and magnetic stand. You'd use the stand if you wanted to put it on a bedside table or a countertop. There's also some double-sided mounting tape in case you want to mount it to a wall.
Little itty bitty quick start guide.
And finally, the Wyze Room Sensor. Pairing a room sensor with your Wyze thermostat is easy and takes just a couple seconds. First, select your thermostat in the Wyze app. Then you're going to click on the sensor icon. Then you'll click the plus sign to add a room sensor. A screen will come up to prompt you to press the pairing button that's on top of the room sensor. You'll see that a Bluetooth icon will start to flash. That'll let you know it's in pairing mode. Then you're going to hit begin, and then your thermostat will search for any sensors nearby. Finish setup by naming the room sensor. We're going to call this one, for this example, Office. And save. As you can see, setup was super easy, and the best part, no wires required. So they can be placed exactly where you want it without having to drill any holes or run any ugly wires across your wall. You should also know that those batteries that we've included that you installed into your sensor, those are going to last you 3 years. Now that it's connected, let's talk about some of the information displayed on your Wyze Room Sensor. First, you're going to notice that big number right there. Well, that's your temperature. That's going to give you a temperature reading exactly where the sensor is placed. The percentage number below the temperature is your humidity level. And right next to that is a little emoji. The emoji is another way to read the relative comfort of the room by combining the temperature and the humidity level. And as you can see, it's 78 degrees in our studio right now, with a humidity reading of 39%, and the emoji smiling, because I like it hot. Last, this little round guy at the bottom right here, well, that's the motion sensor. And we'll explain how and why that motion sensor is important for the overall comfort of your system. So let's talk about how adding Wyze Room Sensor is a smarter way to heat and cool your home. You can add up to 6 sensors to your Wyze thermostat for whole home comfort. There's a few ways that these sensors work together to provide that just right feel inside your home. The room sensors continuously send data to Wyze thermostat in order to balance your home's climate and prioritize the most heavily used rooms. That's why that motion sensor comes in handy. The Wyze thermostat is kind of like a greedy overlord of temperature. He's placed all these henchmen around your house, and he says, "Bring me all the temperature data. I must have it." Now, what I just described to you, we call auto comfort mode. You can enable this in the Wyze app. And when you do, the room sensors and the thermostat will do all the thinking for you and adjust the temperature in your house automatically. Now, we've added an additional sensor, one for the office, one for the bedroom. And in the Wyze app, you can see both of these sensors, when you add them, are going to be under not included in comfort control. Now, what you're going to want to do is you're going to go to edit in the top right, and you're going to see these plus signs appear next to each sensor. You're going to tap the plus signs and then hit done. Now, these sensors are part of the network that will automatically control the temperature of your home. When not included as part of the comfort control, they're just a standalone device and can only read the temperature in that room. Next, you'll notice 2 icons just to the right of each one of your room sensors. One is a little house and one is a little moon. This represents operating during the day and operating during the night. When you hit edit, you can toggle which one you would like to read the temperature during the day and which one you would like to read the temperature during the night. For example, since I am in my office for the majority of the day, I want my system to prioritize my temperature based off of that room sensor. And because I'm not in my office during night, I'm going to turn off the night icon. As for my bedroom, I'm really only in there during the night. And so I'm gonna turn it off during the day and have it only use the data from that room sensor at night. Then I click done, and now the HVAC system is treating me like I'm the star of the show. Unlike my drama teacher, who used to tell me, Kyle, this is Romeo and Juliet. You are just a tree. This show is not about you. Last, there are 2 more levels of customization that you can adjust on each one of your sensors. The first level of control is the temperature threshold. Now, this is a setting that lets you determine just how picky you want to be about the temperature in your home. If you're not that picky, then you can set a high threshold, up to 10 degrees of variance. If you're super picky, then you can set it to be as little as 3 degrees of variance between what the sensor is reading and what your thermostat is reading. Last, we have hot cold spot management. We all have that one room in the house that just seems to be a little too cold or a little too hot. By selecting this, you'll be able to determine whether you want the system to prioritize savings so that your system runs more efficiently, or whether you want to prioritize comfort so you can make sure that that temperature is as close to where you want it as possible. Or you can go for a balance of the two. And because these sensors are connected to your thermostat, which is connected to Wi-Fi, you're going to be able to monitor the temperature of every room in your house from anywhere in the Wyze app. We're thrilled to be able to provide an affordable accessory that gets even more value out of your Wyze thermostat. We'll see you next time. Romeo, how come your house has this cold spot? Romeo, why art thou house so oddly temperatured? Doth not thou know about the Wyze room sensor? And scene.